Right then.
So we've turned her over, got the oil up, plugs in, to see what happens. Here's the spec. We got everything cheap. Give it a spoke, yeah. There you go. That's the rebuilding